I'm here. Yo, let me know if you want me to do a prank on my brother. I really want to start doing pranks, so yeah, just let me know like what you want me to do and stuff like that, so I could do a prank. Cause I'm in the mood right now. I could probably do, I'm too full right now, but like just let me know, give me some ideas, cause I honestly want to do a prank on my brother. Like, beginner here, so don't go too crazy. Don't go too crazy. Alright, that's all. Bye. Yeah, so today I'm gonna eat pizza. Look, mommy bought me a slice, you see? So we good for today. And I'm eating some of this. This is Mexican. This is Mexican chocolate cake, right? I don't know. It's just cake. It's chocolate cake, bro. So yeah, look at this.
Right?
Yeah, this shit look good.
Happy as.
So let's just eat this. So here it is. Here's the pizza. Man, yummy. It has, what is this? It has bacon. It has pepperoni, and it has, I don't know, some kind of meat. Yeah. You gotta eat unhealthy to eat healthy. Yesterday I was eating, not yesterday, I don't even remember, but I remember I ate, for the last video, I ate rice, white rice, chicken, and vegetables. Today is pizza. I'm sorry. The good part is that it's one slice, right? Y'all like my room? Oh, look at my piggy. This is my boyfriend, I swear. Look. Oh my god. You want some? Yum yum. This is good. I don't know. Sometimes pizzas that aren't from like Domino's, you know, those like popular pizza shops, they be better like these. But the crust is just like the fuck, you know. It tastes good though. If I had another phone, I would literally sit here, watch YouTube videos while I eat. That's what I do. Usually when I'm eating, I just watch YouTube videos or probably a show on my phone or some kind of movie. I don't really watch movies though. But yeah, that's what I usually do while I eat. And what else? What else was I gonna tell you? Oh yeah, I was gonna tell you my favorite YouTubers. The ones that I usually, right now, since I don't know if y'all know, like, I Am Just Airy. She's like friends with Queen Naija. She used to be in a house with Armani Trey and them, Chris and Queen. They used to be all in the house together. Airy used to be there. She like that brown girl, you feel me? That brown girl, the cute one, like the thick cute one. Yeah, her. I am just Aries. She's like in a house with all these friends that she has. They're all YouTubers. So I just love watching her do pranks on them and all. Even though pranks these days, they're not that real. It's just nice to see them, like, you know, joke around and stuff and play and stuff. It's just fun. It was funny. Because they be doing stupid stuff. Oh my god, this is like the second video I've ever needed to pee while I'm doing it. While I'm eating. Yup. Oh, and I was eating pizza too in the other one. When I needed to pee. When I finish this off, I'm gonna go pee. Then you gonna see me be eating this. Alright? You know what? I really gotta pee. But I'm trying to finish this quick. I really gotta pee. We're 7 minutes in. I didn't really taste the pepperoni. I'll be back because I really gotta use the bathroom. Alright, so I went to the restroom. I'm here. I'm eating this piece of bread. It is the crust. It is mad crunchy, like. I got the fan on. It's summertime. Always gotta have the fan on. I don't have an AC, so I have to have the fan on all the time. Y'all, so I won't be uploading much anymore because I'm about to start working again. I had 3 weeks off because I had a whole panic attack and I had to go home. And it was a Sunday. Sunday is the start of the week of the, like, is the start of the week for the place that I work at, right? Because it's Jewish. Jewish people work there, so I had a whole panic attack. I was nervous, all types of feelings that combined, and that's what caused the panic attack. So I was told, stay home for a good while and come back. And since I left since the Sunday is like the start of the week is very important to them. So if I miss that day, or if I don't go that day, or if, let's say, I leave early, which they won't let me do that, but they did this time because it was a whole panic attack, so I had to go home. So and they unless I have a doctor's note, they will literally give me 2 weeks, 3 weeks off work because I missed that day. In this case, I didn't complete the day. I left early. So they got mad as hell and they just, you know. I guess it's only fair, right? But yeah. Life is a struggle, man. Life is a struggle. So here's a chocolate cake. I might not eat it all. Maybe I will. I'm sorry, I'm not even showing y'all. Look at it. Beautiful. My brother took a piece. His big self. But yeah, hold on. I might get something to drink. Should I get milk? Yeah. Milk is good with chocolate cake. Oh my god. Yo, like I'm about to kill myself. Now let me stop. I'll be back. So I'm back with my milk. Y'all can't even see it. Oh my god, yo, I'm horrible at this. I'm horrible at holding a camera, doing YouTube videos. This is why I keep doing it, because you know, practice makes perfect, and it's good to upload because you get known more, and little by little you could just go up. No matter. That's why I post like stuff, like different stuff. I try to post different stuff, like reaction videos. That video that I did my hair, doing my hair and stuff. Yeah, y'all know. Look, my hair is short on some parts and then long on the other parts. Like what? But yeah. Here, yo, it broke. Oh my god, it broke. It's supposed to look like this. Look, this one is broken a little bit too. It's supposed to look kind of like this. I know what I mean, like slices of chocolate cake. This looks so good. Y'all, let me just say, I love my best friend and everything, but don't y'all just feel sometimes like y'all don't even want to talk to them at all? Like, bro, I already know what you're gonna say. I already know what you're gonna tell me. Like, nothing you say surprises me anymore. Sometimes it's kind of interesting, but you know, you just get tired sometimes. But you know, you still love them and everything. And yeah. Oh, that milk is so good. Yo, it's so beautiful how just y'all know, some people might not like milk, but y'all know when you take that first drink of milk and it tastes so beautiful. Like it's just like a beautiful flavor in your mouth. It's so weird. But yeah, oh, let me take the other piece that broke off. Oh shit. I'm such a fat ass. I'm gonna eat this whole thing. It's like a whole packet. And I never done that before. My brother usually finishes it. I only take like 3. Eat 3 of it. Put it in the fridge. You know, because it's not only for me, it's for other people, you know. But this one is personally for me because I wanted to make this video, you feel me? For y'all. I already know. But yeah, I gotta practice looking at the actual lens camera, the actual camera, instead of myself, because myself is right here. Feel me? But it don't even look like I'm looking at myself. So I mean that I'm looking at you. Feel me? So I'm looking at myself. Let me stop. Just gotta get used to that, man. Maybe if I warm this up, it would taste better. My mom likes it cold though. I feel like I'm such a workaholic. I'm so excited to go back to work. I'm so excited. I'm such a hard worker. But I'm actually proud of saying that about myself. Because that means I got money. I ain't no lazy bitch. I get up off my bed and I get my money. You feel me? Money, 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 money. Let me just tell you that for me, getting money is easy. It's easy to work. It's just not easy to like have so much time taken from your day, because it's a lot of hours, bro. Like 10 hours that I be over there at work. Yeah, I work from 7 to 6 in the afternoon, sometimes 5, sometimes 4. Yeah, but I was looking at my notifications. I talk too much. I've been talking too much. It's probably because of this cake. How many have I eaten? 3? 3? I don't know. Look, I'm almost done. 4 more. I almost forgot how to count, but it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 more left.
You still recording that non-profit? Looking on the cover right here. I'm gonna go into my room and I'll be leaving until you're done. Not even if I get the other recording.
Alright. I don't think I like chocolate that much anymore because it's kind of this taste is kind of getting stronger. The more you eat, the taste gets stronger of chocolate. Like, dang. Oh. So yeah, I think I'm done. Let me see. Maybe with the milk, I wash it down. I eat a lot. What, you thought this fat was for nothing? You thought this fat was for nothing? I really eat a lot. You could tell. Is it true that massaging your face just makes it look thinner? Like the fat goes down or something? Is that true? I think I've heard that. But yeah. This milk is not helping. It really isn't. Wow, it's already been 13 minutes. Wow. That's crazy. But yeah, y'all. This cake is getting really sticky right now. I left 4. I have 4 in there, so you already know. Let me stop. You already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.